Legacy is a nonprofit organization dedicated to alleviating poverty of the mind, body, and spirit here in one of the most underprivileged areas of Illinois. We've come here to Shawnee Community College, where they're holding one of their many annual events to learn more about the vital work this organization does here in Southern Illinois.
I'm really about community building and regionalism. The populations, of course, in southernmost Illinois are small, but the African American communities are very connected regionally. How Legacy began, it was about bringing back knowledge and information to the community with the hope that it would improve the quality of their lives.
We focus on expanding the arts and health in underserved communities. So we do a lot of varying projects, but they're all based on community support and education.
I'll start with the Women's Conference because that is the oldest running event. That began because, again, there was no one really focusing on health, and especially as it relates to African American women. It was a day that they felt was really about them. They enjoyed the camaraderie, again, of regional. Women from Carbondale, Paducah, all over the region come.
And just overall glowing responses every time we have a program like this. We also have done programs with incarcerated individuals that have received glowing reviews from them.
In bringing in the criminal justice. That's kind of a new offering. This will be the second one in 2024. And that again came from listening to the community and some personal experiences of myself and the board. And we recognize this is another issue that people aren't really talking about. People don't really understand civic engagement, advocacy, how to relate to policymakers. One of the projects we're working on next is to do a workforce development project, which is going to be more of a direct service. We're actually going to manage and implement the project ourselves. Well, Legacy is a volunteer organization. We also are very committed to having an intergenerational team. Beautiful opportunity for the diversity of perspectives.
I see how Legacy is, like I said, is impacting the community. And so I want to stay a part of that. I want to be a part of the move. I want to help support women, minority women, women of color, because there are so many different disparities in our area. So I just want to be a part of the move.
You can always donate, but I'm much more concerned about having people to continue to power and fuel and support what we do. It's very tempting to just start writing grants because you can write grants and do all that. But we're old enough now, since 2009, we know who we are and we know what we do well. We train people, we support people, we help build community. We help develop capacity of others in the community. The arts and literally the humanities are what connect us as humans. And I really believe in the interconnection of all mankind, and that if we work to elevate everybody, we're all going to be better for it.